Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for computer science exams. First, let's talk about planning. Begin by thoroughly understanding your exam scope and format. Is it multiple choice, coding, or theoretical? Next, create a detailed study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Break down large topics into smaller, manageable sections. This approach helps prevent overwhelm and ensures you cover all necessary material efficiently. Aim for consistent, focused study sessions, perhaps 2 to 3 hours daily. Now, let's dive into active learning. Don't just passively read, actively engage with the material. Practice coding problems regularly, aiming for at least 5 to 10 problems per topic. Try explaining complex topics aloud to a friend or even to yourself. This method highlights gaps in your understanding. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing key definitions, syntax, and algorithms. Active recall is far more effective than simply reviewing notes. Next, make the most of your available resources. Review past exams and practice questions extensively. This helps you understand common question types and difficulty levels. Attend office hours with your professor or TA to clarify any confusing concepts. Joining study groups can also provide new perspectives and collaborative problem-solving opportunities. Don't forget to consult textbooks and online documentation for deeper insights into challenging areas. Finally, let's prepare for exam day itself. Ensure you get adequate rest the night before. 8 hours of sleep is ideal for optimal cognitive function. Arrive early at the exam location with all necessary materials like pens, paper, or your laptop. Once the exam begins, read all instructions carefully before starting any questions. Manage your time wisely, allocating a specific number of minutes to each section or problem. Stay calm and confident.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.